magkaibigan tayo, pero kailangan ko tanungin ito para sa mga babae. Meron po kayong interview sa magazine na sinabi nyo that women are the weaker sex. At alam na natin yung bago mong pronouncement na sinasabi dapat nauna ang mayor. At nung isang nagreklamo ng rape, sabi nyo drama queen. Ano po ang kahinanatnan ng babae sa inyong administrasyon?
Well, in Davao City, ma'am, we are the first city to come up with the women's code. Davao City is the only city with the police department na walang vice squad. I have disbanded it because they used to arrest commercial sex worker. The only person who can arrest them would really be the city health tapos to order the police. Sa Davao ho, ang mga mutya ng Davao at Kadayawan Queen, we do not allow swimsuits. It's only short and beachwear. That is how important the women is or are in Davao. Meron kami niyan. Women's code, the first. Bawal namin yung swimsuit. Walang nakakibikini-bikini dyan. And even bawal ang pulis maghuli. At ang mga babae doon hindi natatakot kung saan-saan sila mamasyal. Davao City.
Follow-up question.
Mayor, naintindihan ko po yung mga programa ninyo. Pero sa tingin nyo ba na porkit na mayroong isang women's desk, ay pwede na yung ganong pananalita?